Hey guys, and welcome to another diecast review. Today we are going to look at the Matchbox Plowmaster 6000. Let's get a closer look. Now I'm not 100% certain if I have almost all the releases, but I definitely do have a good amount of releases of this. What originally started as a Chevy C60, if I'm not mistaken, has over time been changed into a generic casting. But overall, I still love this casting. As I said, I have a good variety of them. So to have one in the national parks is very nice. I believe that this is the second release in the national park. I believe the other one might be slightly different. Not 100%. Please don't hold that against me. I found this and decided just to make a quick video on it. As I mentioned, this casting originally started off as a Chevy. You can see the Chevy headlights. They did take the Chevy emblem out of the grill, and they also made sure that the plow is not movable. Previously, you were able to move it left, right, or pop it off completely. I believe there were some releases that did not have a plow on them, but overall, I'm still liking this casting, even if it's 30 years old or however old it is. But it is a very nice casting. Definitely excited to add a snowplow to the national parks. As I mentioned, there was a release of this before. I don't know if it was just a recolor, but I believe I do have it somewhere. I'll also do some research on it as well to kind of see. But great detail, as always. Matchbox did a good job. Look at that little scratch in the hood, or dent. But let me pause it and take a look. So the casting originally was released in 1990 as the highway maintenance truck. Now I was mistaken. There were two similar releases back to back. It's just one was the national parks and the other one was not, but very similar, so I can see why I was confused. But overall, it is great to have this casting continue on. Maybe one day we'll see premium versions of this with the movable plow again. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.